Hello friends, welcome back to 30-day grammar free English speaking journey. Today we are going to do something very important. This is not just a lesson, this is a speaking transformation video. Today's topic is my English journey, my confidence change. Many students have one big problem. They understand English but they cannot speak fluently. They feel, I don't know what to say. I am afraid of mistakes. My grammar is not correct. People will laugh at me. But listen carefully. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Nobody was born speaking English. Today, I will show you a simple 3-minute talk structure that you can use to speak English confidently. Even if your English is very simple, you can still speak. That is the goal of this lesson. So, don't just listen. Repeat after me. Practice aloud. Speak with confidence. Let's begin. Friends, imagine this situation. Someone asks you, tell me about your English journey, or how did you improve your English? What will you do? Most students become silent. They think in Telugu first, then they try to translate, then they stop. This is the main problem. Now, understand this carefully. When you translate, మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేస్తారో అప్పుడు మన స్పీకింగ్ అనేది స్లో అవుతుంది. మనకు ఎప్పుడైతే భయం వస్తుందో అప్పుడు మనం మాట్లాడడం ఆగిపోతుంది. ఏదైనా సెంటెన్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్గా చెప్పాలని ట్రై చేసినప్పుడు మనము స్పీకింగ్ డిలే అవుతుంది, ఫ్లూయెన్సీ డిలే అవుతుంది. బట్ ఫ్లూయెంట్ స్పీకర్స్ డూ దిస్. దే థింక్ సింపుల్, దే స్పీక్ డైరెక్ట్లీ, దే డోంట్ ట్రాన్స్లేట్ వర్డ్ బై వర్డ్. Today's lesson will fix this problem. We will use a simple speaking formula. The formula is past, present, future. Past, present, future. This is very powerful formula because you can always speak about what was your past situation, what is your current situation, what is your future goal. Even beginners can use this structure. Now, let's go step by step. I will explain the structure clearly. Step 1. Past, before English. You talk about your past experience. Example, I was afraid. I don't know English. I made mistakes. I was shy. This shows honesty. Present, now. Step 2 లో present గురించి చెప్పాలి. Now you talk about your current situation. Example, I am learning English. I am practicing daily. I am improving step by step. I am more confident now. This shows the progress. Step 3, future goal. Now you talk about your future. Example, I want to speak fluently. I want to communicate confidently. I will practice daily. I will not give up. This shows motivation. Remember, even simple English is enough. Fluency is not about big words. Fluency is about clear communication. Now, let's start speaking practice. Repeat after me slowly. I want to talk about my English journey. I want to talk about my English journey. My name is, మీ పేరు చెప్పండి. My name is Venkatesh. In the beginning of my English learning journey, in the beginning of my English learning journey, I was very afraid to speak English. I was very afraid to speak English. I did not know how to form sentences. I did not know how to form sentences. Even simple sentences were difficult for me. Even simple sentences were difficult for me. I always try to translate from Telugu to English. I always try to translate from Telugu to English. Because of that, I spoke very slowly. Because of that, I spoke very slowly. I felt shy in front of others. I felt shy in front of others. I was afraid of making mistakes. I was afraid of making mistakes. Sometimes I thought English is very difficult for me. English is very difficult for me, but still I never stopped learning. But still I never stopped learning. It is okay to make mistakes. Everyone starts like this. This is normal learning stage. Okay, so you can practice more and more. Now let's talk about present situation. Present. Repeat after me. Now I am learning English step by step. Now I am learning English step by step. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. I watch English videos regularly. I watch English videos regularly. I try to speak simple sentences daily. I try to speak simple sentences daily. I am not perfect, but I am improving. I am not perfect, but I am improving. I can now speak basic English sentences. I can now speak basic English sentences. I try not to translate from Telugu all the time. I try not to translate from Telugu all the time. I am slowly building confidence. I am slowly building confidence. I am enjoying my English learning journey. I am enjoying my English learning journey. Every day I am getting better. Every day I am getting better. ప్రతిరోజు నేను మెరుగవుతున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు now let's talk about confidence. Repeat after me. Earlier I was not confident. Earlier I was not confident. I was afraid to speak English. I was afraid to speak English. I avoided speaking in front of people. I avoided speaking in front of people. నేను జనాల ముందు మాట్లాడకుండా ఉండేవాడిని. But now things are changing. But now things are changing. Now I try to speak English daily. Now I try to speak English daily. Even if I make mistakes, I continue speaking. Even if I make mistakes, I continue speaking. I am not afraid anymore. I am not afraid anymore. I understand that mistakes are part of learning. I understand that mistakes are part of learning. నేర్చుకోవడంలో తప్పులు రావడం సహజమని నేను అర్థం చేసుకున్నాను. I understand that mistakes are part of learning. My confidence is growing slowly. My confidence is growing slowly. I feel more comfortable now. I feel more comfortable now. Confidence does not come before speaking. మాట్లాడడానికి ముందు కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ రాదు. కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ కమ్స్ ఆఫ్టర్ స్పీకింగ్. మాట్లాడిన తర్వాతనే కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ వస్తుంది. కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ కమ్స్ ఆఫ్టర్ స్పీకింగ్. సో నౌ లెట్స్ టాక్ అబౌట్ ఫ్యూచర్. రిపీట్ ఆఫ్టర్ మీ. In the future, I want to speak English fluently. I want to speak English fluently. I want to speak without thinking in Telugu. I want to speak without thinking in Telugu. I want to communicate with anyone confidently. I want to communicate with anyone confidently. I want to improve my speaking skills. I want to improve my speaking skills. I will practice every day. I will practice every day. I will not stop learning. I will not stop learning. I will continue improving step by step. I will continue improving step by step. I believe I can achieve fluency. I believe I can achieve fluency. Now let's combine everything. Now that's a full 3-minute talk practice. Let's combine past, present and future sentences. This is your full speaking practice. Speak slowly and clearly. I want to talk about my English journey. In the beginning, I was afraid to speak English. I did not know how to make sentences. I made many mistakes. I used to translate from Telugu to English, but I never stopped learning. Now I am practicing English every day. I am learning new sentences. I am trying to speak without fear. My confidence is improving slowly. Earlier, I was shy. Now, I am more confident. In the future, I want to speak fluently. I will practice every day. I will improve step by step. I will not give up. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ట్రై చేద్దామా? I want to talk about my English journey. In the beginning, I was afraid to speak English. I don't know how to make sentences. I made many mistakes. I used to translate from Telugu to English, but I never stopped learning. Now I am practicing English every day. I am learning new sentences. I am trying to speak without fear. My confidence is improving slowly. Earlier, I was shy. Now I am more confident. In the future, I want to speak fluently. I will practice every day. I will improve step by step. I will not give up. Now, your challenge is speak this full talk without stopping. Record your voice. Repeat daily for 7 days. Friends, today you learn a powerful speaking method. My English journey, my confidence change, 3-minute speaking structure. If you practice this daily, your English will improve naturally. Do not try to be perfect, try to be consistent. Write in comments. My English journey is improving. If you like this lesson, subscribe to Easy English Learning. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep growing. See you in the next video.